Hey everybody, this is Cassie and I'm from AInME. So I wanted to make a new game. I had an idea, it was pretty funny, called You Are the Worst. Okay, so I'm going to make it on Unity and I wanted to show y'all my process, and whatever code that I use, I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me with that code. So we're going to start with a new project. And we're going to make it 3D and call it, what do we call it? You are the worst. Okay. Create project. Okay. Oh, yay. We made it. We got a new version. Okay. Let's make this bigger. So, what are we doing first? So we're gonna do the first scene. Okay, so let's go to scenes. There we go. All right, so we're gonna go to scenes. We're going to rename this scene to what was it? We're gonna scroll up here. We'll go with scene warning. Okay, and that will be our first scene. The following open scene have been changed on this. Do you want to reload the scene? Sure, we didn't do anything. Okay, scene warning. Okay, that's the scene right here. Okay, let's go ahead and make a couple more scenes and add it so we'll know. I'll show you how to do all that actually. So in the scenes folder, I'm going to right click, create up here at the top. We're going to go with, whoops, that's automatic. I always go straight up to scripts. We're going to go to scenes down here, scene, and then we're going to name the scene. We're going to name the scene intro. Intro. Okay. And then we're going to right click again over here and make another one. And we're going to call it title, scene title. Scene title. Okay. Then scene 3, how to play. Scene how to play. Okay. All right, so that's a good start. What we're going to do is now go up to File. We're going to go to Build Settings down here. And then this little area is where we're going to just drag and drop, but we got to do it in order. What is the first one that we want? Is scene warning. And then scene intro. And then scene title. And then scene how to. Okay. So now it's going to play in this order, since we put it in that order. We can just exit out of that, because it's already saved in there. Speaking of saved, let's go ahead and save this, just to be sure, in case anything happens. It's like no respond happens or something. It hasn't happened for me in a while, but just in case, it's good to like save every once in a while. Alright, so what is our first scene? It's going to be the warning. Warning. The warning, this game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. Okay. So what we need to do is go to 2D. Alright. I'm going to go to the main camera and I'm going to change this to solid, and let's make it black. Right. So now whenever we see, this is the game, so that's what we're seeing. All right, so now we need to right click over here in the hierarchy. This is the hierarchy over here. We're going to make a canvas. Okay, so this is the canvas. It's pretty big. All right, so that's the canvas. So we are going to right click inside the canvas and go to UI and text pro, mesh pro. Yes, I do need to do that. All right, so we've got the text here, and we need to change the text first. Let's change the text. So you go over here into the inspector and text input, delete the text and write whatever you want. We're gonna put warning. That'll be the first one. Okay, so this is about how big I want it. I want it up here. So we go over here to font size. We can change that to, let's try 50. No, let's try 100. That looks a little better. Warning, right? Let's also center it. There we go. That's much better. Let's look at it in the game. Warning. Big warning. Looks good, right? Okay. So we can right click that and duplicate it, and then change this to, what did I have? I gotta pull it back up. This game has offensive scenarios. This game has I'm gonna spell it right. F-E. Offensive scenarios. Oops. Right. So let's make this like 80, and then let's also make that like this, bring it down. Let's make it a little smaller. Let's make it 70. See, yeah, that looks a little better. See what it looks like in the game. Okay. Let's make it just a little bit smaller. Let's go with 60. I think that'll look a little better. Have the warning a little bigger. Maybe I should just make the warning bigger. So let's go back up to warning. Let's go with 150. Gotta make this bigger though. There we go. Let's bring it up a little bit and see how that looks. Warning, this game has offensive scenarios. And then maybe play at your own risk. I was thinking play at your own risk, so let's just go ahead and try that. So let's go ahead and get this one, and then we're going to duplicate the second one because it's already kind of the size that we want. So duplicate, change the text to whatever we want. Play at your own risk. Okay, so let's bring it down. I can bring this up since it's not. I kind of like that, but I think this should be a little bit smaller. So let's go with like 40 and bring it down a little further. Let's see how that looks in the game. We can change the colors and stuff. Warning, this game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. I like that. I like that. Okay. What else can this scene have in it? I guess that's all it could do. So let's go back up to the first one with warning. Let's change the color over here in the color vortex. And it's on white right now, so let's turn it, let's turn it red. That looks good. We could give it a color gradient. Haven't really messed with these too much. So let's just see what this does. Ooh, that looks cool. Maybe go with like gray. And then maybe like, yeah, gray. Lighter gray maybe. Alright, let's see how that looks. Ooh, that looks nice, right? Warning. That looks cool. I like that a lot. That's really awesome. Alright, awesome. So now, should we keep it in that font? Because we can change the font right here. Change it to warning. Warning. No. I think the best one is probably why are those the same? See what that one looks like. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, let's keep it that way on that one. Okay, so that one's good. Let's play with this one. So, this one. There we go. We could even bring this one down a little bit too. We can size it up a little bit better. Okay. I like the brightness of this one. And then play at your own risk could be a different font like that. And then we can make this one orange, play at your own risk, or yellow. Looks pretty professional, right? That looks pretty good. I like it. Okay, so that's our warning screen scene. We could add a few things, but I want to go ahead and make the intro scene, the scene that comes next, so we can go ahead and start getting that, and then I'll add a timeline for these to show up at certain times, and then I will show you how to go back and forth and make a script to make it go back and forth and stuff. Alright, so here we go. We're going to go to scenes, intro scene. Yes, I'm going to save, always save. So here's our new scene. We're in 3D now. Well, here we go. No, we're in 2D still. Okay, so that's good. At least we're in, if we just want to get out of 2D, we can go here, but we still need this. Alright, and then the same way, we're going to make, first we're going to go to the camera. We're going to make the color, go to solid color, make the color, what color should we make it? Because that's very important. And this is the intro. You know what we could do? We could make it very pretty, very, this would actually help a little bit. So if we go over here to window and we go to, if you want to get it at the asset store, you can, just free, but I already got it. So I'm going to go to here, and then go to packages and project and my assets. I got a lot of stuff here. Skybox free. Import. Okay, cool. It's done. Alright, so over here in the assets, you can see, and I've kept this at the layout of all this is at default. I like it. I can move it around when I want to. So it's not really a big problem for me. I know a lot of people have it in different ways, but I just wanted to throw that out there. But anyway, my Sky series, so you just click on here and you can go and any of these. Let's go ahead and click out of this. We don't need that no more. And you see how it gives me all these options. I mean, that looks pretty nice. That looks pretty cool. Let's go with that one because this is what we're going to be talking about. Yeah, definitely this one. Alright, cool. That was just a drag and drop. Super easy. Super easy. We've also got all these, which are about the same. All materials. Here we go. I've got some wood material, some floor material. So that's pretty nice. Alright. We're going to go up here in a hierarchy, right click, go to UI, Canvas, click inside Canvas, right click inside Canvas, go back to UI, let's go to Text Mesh Pro, let's make this bigger, let's also center it, and rename it, or re-put, and I gotta look up the quote again. Alright. Your mind is like water. Mind is like water. My friend. When it is agitated. Agitate. It becomes difficult to see. Okay. But if you allow it to settle, oops. Oh, I forgot I was doing every one of them. Whoops. if you, whoops, I clicked on it again. Allow it to settle. The answer becomes clear. Okay, so I want to size that up a little bit to 50. Whoops, you know what we did? We need to go back to Skybox. There we go. Whoops, we made an error. SS. I said we. I made an error. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear. And then I'm gonna come over on the hierarchy and I'm going to duplicate it because I want to write who it's by, which it is funny, Master Oogway. And then I'm gonna make 3 because I want to make them separate. So do that, and then we need to go back to the scene. Take this down here. We need to make it smaller, like 30. Okay. Let's also bring this one up to just size it a little better. Okay, now I need to also duplicate one more time, and maybe I should put it in parentheses. And then bring it down or over here. Maybe make it a little bit smaller, 25. A little bit harder to line up though. Closer. See what that looks like on here. Your mind. Okay, so we definitely need to change what this looks like. So maybe we need to go dark. Panda, no, I like the white down here. I like that white down there. Maybe at least some gray. Also make this one the same. And these can be like that, because I'm going to change the font also. See what that looks like. Okay, so we need to move these down. So Master Oogway, come down here, and then Kung Fu Panda. Down here, we gotta get close to it again. go. Alright, let's see what the game looks like. We can do better. So with that first text, we're going to go with the gradient. We're going to go with blue, maybe dark blue. And then let it go to light blue. I don't see no difference to you. It's still kind of hard to see it, and I don't like that. Maybe we need to lighten it up a little bit. Let's try blue. Still debate. I want this to look good. Maybe it's just the wrong. Well, I guess it's good for now. And let's go with, since we've got these two, we're going to make them change. So let's go ahead and save. Change scenes. Okay, so we'll probably be doing some coding, which I'm going to get ChatGPT to help me on that. All right, so we need to go back to our first scene, which is the warning scene. Here we go. There's our warning scene. Oop. Let's make it. Okay, cool. Let's go to assets, click on assets up here, see where it says scenes, sky series, text mesh pro. Let's right click beside that, create a new folder, scripts. All right. So on this script, let's make a create C# script. Okay. How long do we want this to stay up? Let's say like 6 seconds, maybe. Warning, this game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. It's about 6 seconds. All right. So we're going to go ahead and open up Visual Studio over here. And then also we're going to go to ChatGPT. So go to your internet and type in ChatGPT. I've already got it on there, chatgptonline.net. I already have a little, I already subscribed to them, or however it works, log in. It's automatic login. All right, so what we're going to ask it to do is write a code in C# for Unity. Unity to change the scene in 6 seconds. Alright, so here it goes. Scene management, that's the good. Scene changer is what it's going to be called. So we have to change the that to that. In this example, okay, within the class we define public variable scene name. Yes. After 6 seconds. Use this script, simply attach it to the object in the current scene and set the scene name variable to the name of the scene you want to switch to. Very awesome. So we're going to go up here and go copy. We're going to go back here. And then we're going to change this to scene changer. Open it back up. That. Paste. And that should be it. Just Control S for save. And I'm not exactly sure what to put it on though. To the warning, no. Canvas. Maybe do the main camera. I don't know. Scene name. What was the name? Intro scene. Scene intro. Scene intro. Okay. Let's see if this works. There we go. Very nice. What we could also do, but I'm just going to keep it simple. Let's just keep it simple. I also, let's go ahead and make a timeline. I've got to figure out how to do that again. Let's pull this down here. So I went to Window, Sequencing, Timeline, and then I pulled the tab down to the bottom so I can switch between all these, okay? So here's that, and then so I'm going to go, I guess, to main camera again. No, I'm going to go to Canvas. That's what I'm doing. Canvas, and then Create. Right there. Just saved it to my scenes. I mean, I think so. Anyway, so this is the timeline. How this works, it's a little bit confusing, but it's pretty good. It's pretty cool. I'm going to take this first text, we'll drag it down here, and do an activation track. Okay, and this is how long this track is. So, where is 6 seconds? I don't even know. Let's go ahead and play it and see. Okay, so I guess that's all of it. So let's make it like that. Let's make it show up like, well, warning. This game has offensive scenarios. Let's make this a little bit longer, as long as it goes. Okay. was too much, but it's okay. Alright, warning. This game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. So let's go back. And we're going to take this next one, pull it underneath it, add activation. Put it here. Press play. Nope. It should be a little bit further. Let's say about here. Okay. I like it. And then play at your own risk. Alright, let's see how that looks. Well, so we can go a little bit further. Alright, let's go a little bit further. Canvas, timeline. We can go like that and like, I would say there. Let's try that. Warning, this game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answers become clear. Master Ogway, Kung Fu Panda. Ogway. Alright, cool. We've got these two set up. Maybe I can do the same thing with that. So let's go here, save. Let's go to project, scenes. Let's go to intro scene, canvas. Timeline, canvas, create. Timeline, 2. Save. Okay. So let's take the first one, activation. All right. Let's make it a little bit longer out there. And then let's take the second one. Put it down at the end. And then take the third one and put it all the way at the end down here. And we can bring this all the way over. This all the way over. And let's check it out. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answers become clear. Master Ogway. I could go a little bit further. Let's go a little bit further. Let's go here and here. Alright. Boop, boop. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answers become clear. Master Ogway. Kung Fu Panda. Oh, that's so good. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, so now we're gonna work on our third scene, I guess. Our third scene is our title screen, I believe. Yes, it's gonna be our title screen. Alright, so file, save, go back to project. Let's make sure everything works. Play. Warning, this game has offensive scenarios. Play at your own risk. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear. Master Ogway, Kung Fu Panda. Perfect. Exactly what we wanted. All right, so we're going to go to title now. Okay, we're in title. We need to go to scene. We need to go to main camera. Yes, we're going to use the skybox because we have all these. So we're going to let's see, all material. How's the title going to look? I kind of like that one because that one's strange, or that one's more. This one's pretty good. I like that one. I'm going to use this one. Because the title is going to be "You're the Worst," and that looks like. I mean, it doesn't look like the worst. Not this one. The worst. You're the worst. That looks okay. Okay. Let's keep that. And we're going to make another canvas. UI canvas. I missed clicking. Okay. UI text mix. Text mesh. Center it. There we go. You are the worst. Old. None of those are good. You are the worst. I don't like that either. I don't like that one. I don't know what that is. Anyway. Make it yellow. And let's size it up. Okay, we're going to add a button on here now. So let's go back. Let's go canvas, UI, then we're going to go to button, and we're going to size that button up. Like that. We can change the color of the button, which I can just darken it a little bit. Okay. Then click over here, go to the text, and this changes the text. To begin. Click here to begin. Size that up just a little bit. Let's go to 30. Okay, let's do it bold. I like it. What we also need to do is, this is the normal color, highlighted color. It's going to be pressed color is going to be red. Selected color is also going to be red. Maybe black. Let's see what all that looks like first. Nice. Alright, so let's go back. So now we need this one to send us over to the other one. So what we can do is reuse the script. Oh, we can't reuse the script because what we could do then is just have it write us a whole new one. So write me a code in C# for Unity. When button is pressed, change scene. Alright, let's see what this is. Sure thing! It's so excited to make it for us. Okay, that looks good. Looks perfect. Alright, it's finishing up. And start function, add listener method. Change scene, click. To use this script, simply attach it to an object in your scene and assign the button and scene name. Okay, I think I know what it means. Alright, so let's go back to Unity. We need to go to scripts. We need to create a new script. Do y'all remember what it was called? I forgot. Button scene changer. Okay. Button scene changer. Alright. Needs to Control S here. We're going to put it on the button. So we go to button. And then scene name will be how to play. Scene how to play. Alright. See if that works. There we go. Awesome. We need the intro scene to move, right? So I say we make a new script. I want to just try this. Make a new script. Call it scene changer. Whoops. Scene changer intro. Okay. So we're going to double click on that one. Okay. Well, yeah, we're going to get rid of everything. We're going to go to scene changer up here. And instead of this, so we're going to copy this, copy, paste. Scene changer, intro. And then we're going to make this 10 seconds. Okay, so Control S. Put this on the camera. Go here. Go to scene. Title. Oops. Scene title. Alright, let's try it out. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see, but if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear. Master Wu-Wei. Oh no! It cut it off. Alright, so we know so what we need to do is go back to scripts, go back to this one, and let's change it to like 15. Let's do that. Control S, back, and let's try this. Your mind is like water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see, but if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear. Master Wu-Wei, Kung Fu Panda. Maybe 13. You are the worst. Alright, cool. That's perfect. That's awesome. Alright, well, we've got all those, and I'm going to start on how to play on the next video. So make sure y'all subscribe and wait and see what we can make out of this cool game. Alright, thanks. Bye, y'all.